What's up, mainframers? You ever look at the ISPF main menu and you felt like you were trying to launch a rocket ship?
Liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. Final visit to enhance the...
In this episode, I'm going to be breaking it down for you. I'm going to show you how to navigate the mainframe using ISPF just like the pros. In this video, we're going to be using the Hercules emulator that runs MVS 3.8. If you have not already installed it, all you got to do is click the link above and you can follow along with me and get started on your mainframe journey today. So what is ISPF? ISPF stands for Interactive System Productivity Facility. It's a full screen, menu-driven facility that allows you to interact with the mainframe the easy way. Think of browsing, editing, and managing datasets all from one central hub. So enough with the explanation, let's jump right in it. Okay, so now here is the ISPF primary option menu. So in order to navigate you have to input the option number to which screen you wish to go to. So let's go for the first one. Let's go to the first screen, which is option 0, and hit enter. Now, if you want to drill down in option 0, this will be 0.1. F3 to go back. Now, it's important to get used to selecting an option, F3 to get out. Now, if you want to get out of this one, hit F3 again. So PF3 is exit or go back. Now let's explore and let's do other commands. 1 to go into the browse. F3 to get out. Go 2 for edit. This is the edit entry panel. F3 to get out. Now I mostly use 3, option 3, which is utilities. You're more likely going to be working in option 3 the most. So we're going to look at 3. And here are the options that I use very often. We can look at option 2, which is Dataset Utility. Now we're in 3.2, which is Dataset Utility. This is where we can allocate datasets, delete, rename, catalog, and uncatalog datasets. We will be exploring this in later tutorials. Now to get out, just hit F3 again. Another good option that I use a lot is option 3. So this is screen 3.3, which is a move and copy utility. So let's go into option 3.4. Now we'll tab over to the dataset prefix. Let's just try this out. We'll type sys2.jcllib. There you go, and hit enter. Now this gives me the dataset list. I can tab over, browse. So now I'm browsing. Now I see all the members that are in the GCL-lib. PF8 to scroll down, PF7 to scroll up. Now I can tab and go through the members one by one. So if I want to go back to the ISPF primary menu, I have many options. I can hit F3, F3. I can keep exiting until I get out to the main screen. Or you can take the quick shortcut and say home equal X, hit enter. Now you get into the TSO command. Just type ISPF and it brings you back to the main option menu. And I believe that's just it. And remember, when you're logging off MVS 3.8, it is good to make sure that you log off clean. If you don't know how to log off correctly, please click the link below. I do have a video that explains the logging in and logging off clean. So if you like this kind of tutorials, I would like to ask you to smash the like and subscribe button down below, as I will be posting more ISPF related tutorials. So if you're just getting started, no worries, you can always follow along with me and I'll walk you through your mainframe journey. I'd like to thank you for hanging out with me, exploring ISPF on MVS 3.8. So stay curious and keep practicing, and I will see you later.